Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Cruise Line Getaway. It's a large ship with two theaters. There's actually lots of lounges that have stages, but there's two main theaters on this ship. One is the Getaway Theater, which is the larger of the two, the largest on the ship, and the other one is the Illusionarium, which is where we are today. The gentleman you're about to see is not only a great singer and entertainer and piano player, but he's also a good actor. He's actually in two shows here on the Norwegian Getaway. One is $1 Million Quartet, a show in the Getaway Theater, the larger theater, which is a story about the beginnings of Jerry Lee Lewis, Elvis Presley, Johnny Cash, and some other person that I had forgotten. But he plays a really good Jerry Lee Lewis, and he also is in a show called The Piano Man, which you're about to see parts of here in this video. Anyway, let's take our seats and check out the Piano Man show here on the Norwegian Getaway in the Illusionarium Theater.
Y'all. See, my problem is I can't listen to any music made after 1989. Anybody else?
This show, like all the shows on my cruise, was free of charge, or included in the ticket price, I should say, and no reservations are needed. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. There is entertainment all over the Norwegian Getaway, and again, it's all included in the ticket price. You can just go from venue to venue and check things out. There's piano bars here, there's a comedy club, there's a Sid Norman's, a personal favorite, Sid Norman's Poorhouse. They always had live bands that play classic rock and roll, very good bands. There's always a DJ by the pool, there's Bliss Nightclub with a DJ as well. They do a lot of game shows here on the cruise ship, including Deal or No Deal, the Newlywed Game, trivia games, bingo, and stuff like that. Lots to do, lots of entertainment. And of course, I'll bring you some of those shows in future videos.
Yeah, she hides like a child, but she's always a woman to me.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
And you got us feeling alright. One more time.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.